the XC40 Recharge is safe. Now that is what Volvo customers expect, that's what you should expect, and that's what we deliver. Now regardless of what drives a Volvo forward, be it a combustion engine, electric machines, a Volvo should always be safe. Now we have made cars with combustion engines for over 90 years. This is our first fully electric vehicle. And to make an electric vehicle safe has its unique challenges. The front structure, the side structure, the rear structure, all of it has been adapted as we remove the engine from the front and we place the heavy batteries in the center of the floor. Now this car also has a completely new pilot assist and active safety platform, and it's the first Volvo to run on software developed by Zenuity, ready for the future and for more advanced applications. So in short, the XC40 Recharge will be one of the safest cars we have ever built, as you could and should expect. The XC40 Recharge is a first for Volvo. It's a big milestone for us, and it's an insight for what the future will look like. The future is electric, and we are super committed to go all in on it. Now here is Björn, my colleague and friend, coming up to tell you all about the new Recharge line. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Henrik. Today we introduce, together with the XC40 Recharge, also our brand new Recharge line. With Recharge, we evolve how we package our offer and how we sell our cars. Soon, as you visit our .com, come to our stores or call us to buy a car, we will ask you one existential question: to cord or not to cord? A Volvo with a cord, a charging cable, that's our Recharge line. It includes the XC40 Recharge. It also includes all our plug-in hybrids that you currently know as our cars with twin-engine powertrains. We want to bring electric cars front of mind and shift sales to full electric cars and part-time electric cars. It's a strong statement of our intent around climate change and our commitment to electrification. Our customers expect us to do the same stellar job when it comes to planetary safety as they always expect us to do when it comes to car safety. And plug-ins play an important role to accelerate the world into a fully electric future. Today, 60% of our carbon footprint comes from the tailpipe emission of a car. So here it's critical that we take action. Our industry is currently finally in a transition phase from internal combustion engines towards a fully electric future, but that transition is slow. What hinders the pace are a number of things. It's the affordability of vehicles, it's access to charging infrastructure, and it's also the time it takes to change consumer behaviors and habits. Plug-ins have an important role to overcome those hinders. In many places, you have a chicken and egg problems where there are very few electric cars, and therefore there is limited charging infrastructures. And with limited charging infrastructure, consumers are hesitating to buy full electric cars. Plug-in hybrids help solve part of that conundrum. Plug-in hybrids also help customers get used to electric cars. What is my driving patterns? Where can I charge? How can I make charging part of my daily routine? Typical car users, they use the cars a lot of times for very short trips, but every now and then they need the car for a longer trip. If that's your driving pattern, and if you have the opportunity to charge overnight at home or at work, plug-in hybrid technology is a very good solution. How are the Volvo customers using plug-in technology? If we look across our total fleet of hybrids, it clearly shows that the customer used them as intended, as a part-time electric car. The cars are driven from charged electricity for more than 40% of the time. And this is true and consistent across continents and countries. And And this kind of follows a normal distribution, meaning that thousands of our customers, they use charged electricity for more than 60% of the distance. And this is promising. The cars are being used as intended, as part-time electric cars. And again, the tailpipe emission is the biggest driver of our carbon footprint. So we must make sure it comes down now. So we want to do what we can to adopt, to make sure we increase the adoption of fully electric and part-time electric cars. So we have another exciting piece of news today. Today, we announced that every Volvo Recharge plug-in hybrid cars comes with 1 year of free electricity. The more you make use of your car motor, the more you save. The offer is valid in all our Volvo On Call markets, and it's valid for all plug-in cars starting today. It's an incentive for the driver. So even if you order a company car, this incentive goes to you as a person. It's only you who can change and drive the behavior. Through our Volvo On Call app, you can monitor the charge level and the share of electric driving that you're performing. Just like a step counter helps some people to live a healthier lifestyle, we hope this will help some customers to drive and use the technology in a more sustainable way. After 1 year, you will get a sustainability bonus, a cash refund through the Volvo On Call app.